It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring.
Drip, 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 rip me from my slumber numb. I sat there on my deck, what the heck, what a trip, the sky is dripping. A rare thing started to sing about precipitation, dancing on my patio, feeling kinda wonderful. Save the water as it falls from the sky, said the guy with the pail. I smiled and waved and yelled, you betcha, babe, with our buckets we will save the water from the sky, it will keep us all alive. It's a strange sound, the rain coming down. It's a strange sound, the water falling down. Made it through August, I'll be honest, I had my doubts. Never seen so much dry, never seen such drought. Mother Earth, she is hurting, but she cries no tears. All her water's long been wasted over all these years. Save the water as it falls from the sky, said the lady with the barrel. I think her name was Carol. You betcha, babe, with our buckets we will save the water from the sky.